Hey everybody, I hope you guys are having an amazing week and I want to help close it with great news. I know Chad has been promising something by tomorrow and we're going to deliver a day early ahead of schedule. So I'm going to go and log into my Letterman account and you're going to go ahead and once you're in, click on these two little arrows here. Depending on the resolution of your screen, you may have to zoom in or out. We're all a little different here, but I'm going to go ahead and zoom out a few times here and I see a button right there. Perfect. The button I'm looking for here is the campaign. All I did on my Mac was Command minus, or you can Control minus on your PC. When you click on campaigns, you should see two buttons here, advertisers and campaigns. The first step you'll need to do is go to advertisers and go and click on add advertisers. In this case, I'll just say Berrigan's Restaurants, Armando Berrigan. And go ahead and click on Add Advertiser. Once you do that, come on over to Campaigns and go ahead and say click on Add Campaign. I'm going to go ahead and select my advertiser. I'm going to call this, you know, July specials, and go ahead and add a website URLs. I think. Yeah, perfect. All right, cool. So once that's there, I'm going to go ahead and then price it at, we'll just say 100 bucks, right? Go ahead and click on save. And then once you're here, what you can do is go ahead and click on your images, image library. Now there are three image types. Don't fear not, we got you covered here. Got your three Canva templates, one for the 1920 by 400, which will be your top banner, your 300 by 300 banners on the side, and then your banner, which will be in a different spot, which will be 480 by 60. So I've got these already taken care of, so I'm going to go ahead and upload them. So if I come over here and I say upload, I'm going to go ahead and let's select the big one here. And then let's go to the 300 by 300. And let's do this one here. Perfect. And let's do the 480 by 60. Yeah, perfect. And then let's go ahead and close. And if I refresh, I should see all three of them there. Now, mind you, this is the most viable product. So at the moment, there are still plenty of refinements that need to be done, but the team wanted to get this out for you before more time went on. And so here, what you'll do now is go on back to your publications here. And once you're in publications, for my newsletter here, I went ahead and say active ads. Click on the three little dots, go to active ads. And then here's where you can go ahead and bring in your banner spots. So I tied my ad campaign to this particular one, the movers one. In the top spot, you can put as many ads as you would like in the top banner and it will rotate through them. And then on the right hand side, you can go ahead and put as many as you would like. Only two will show at once. But in order to preview these, what you do is you click on publications, go to little current issue, and at the moment, the only place the ads are going to show is in the latest news section. And you have to have news set up and articles. First of all, you have to have articles created. And then second of all, after the articles are created, you have to make sure you put those articles in the latest news section in order for this page to populate, where you will see the top ads displayed. And if I go ahead and refresh a couple times, that will eventually switch over, which there we go. And then here at the moment, these aren't going to rotate because I only have two. So if I had three or four, you would eventually see them rotate as well too. And that's for starters. This is just the team getting warmed up, where these ads will appear here, and then they've also included an opt-in box right here. By default, this is gray. This will be tagged with your default publication tag. It has been tested and it does work and it's amazing. Another thing, if you don't have any news articles tagged for news, this button will not appear. So once you have articles set up to be displayed in the news section, that button will appear and then your ads will appear. Now the ads will come at a later date and time. We're looking ideally for sometime next week to have those ads displayed within the articles pages. And then at some point in the future, you'll see them with the ability to put them in other places. So this is a big day because this is a step in the right direction where the team has built and done an amazing job building the logic to be able to have a campaign set up, be able to put advertisers, pricing to them, have these things so you can turn them on and off. So if I come in here and click on edit, I can edit the pricing and the website that it goes to, but in the image URLs, or in the in the ad campaigns, if I go back to publications, oops, why did I sign out? If I go back to publications in the ad section, this is what I was looking for right here. in the active ad section, I can go ahead and just turn these ads off if they're no longer relevant, and then the other ads will take over.